Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to solve this math Olympiad question. 3 to power x equals x to power 9. What we're going to do from here is to multiply both sides by 1 over x. 1 over x and so we're going to use the exponential rule, the law of indices, which states that when you have a to power m multiplying n can also be written as a to power m n. So from here we can see that this is 3x dot 1 over x, which equals x raised to power 9 dot 1 over x. All right, looking at the expression, this can cancel this, and then we have 3 to be equal to x raised to power 9 over x. If this multiplies this, you have 9 over x. All right, from here, what we can do now is to try and eliminate the powers. And for we to do that, we have to multiply the inverse of the power to both sides. So this is 3 minus the inverse of this is 1 over 9. 1 over 9 to be equals to x 9 over x times 1 over 9. All right, so we have 3 to power 1 over 9 equals x. This can cancel this, and we've eliminated the power, so we have 1 over x. Right. Now from here, I'm going to make use of the rule we used earlier, power of power rule. Okay. This 3 raised to power 1 over 9 can also be written as 3 1 dots 1 over 9. Okay, sorry, this is what I wrote. 3 to power 1 over 9 can also be written as 3 to power 1 dots 1 over 9, because if you multiply both sides, both powers together, you still return to 1 over 9. Okay, so let's go back to our question. Now we change. This will turn to 3 multiplied by 1 dot 1 over 9 equals x dot 1 over x. All right. Now also we can take this one to be equal to 3 over 3. 3 over 3, because 1 is the same as 3 over 3. When this cancels out, you have 1. It can be 6 over 6. If this cancels out, you have 1. All right. So this is 3 over 3 dots 1 over 9. So be equal to x to power 1 over x. Once we've reached there, we can also say this is the same as 3 to power 3 times 1 over 3 dot 1 over 9, because when you multiply 3 dot 1 over 3 together, you still return to 3 over 3. Now once we've gotten here, we can say, okay, this is equal to x raised to power 1 over x, and then 3 cubed is 27. Now this times this, you have 1 over 27 to be equal to x to power 1 over x. Now since this expression on the left hand side and the right hand side are the same, you can say your x is equal to 27. can see your x is equal to 27. Okay, we can also decide to verify the expression. Let's go back to the main equation, which is 3 to the power x equals x to the power 9. So substituting the value of x, we have 3 to the power 27, and then x to the power, all right, 27 to the power 9. Okay, so let's check our calculator. If you check your calculator, 3 times 27 will give you this. And then let's check 27 to the power 9 will give you this. So you can see it verifies the expression. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to the channel. We'll be releasing more updates on math questions, Olympiad questions, and others.